How to merge staff, customer, or supplier records in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome to this tutorial on how to merge staff, customer, or supplier records in AAAPOS RetailManager. This feature is useful for resolving accidental duplicates in your records. By merging records, the information from the old record is transferred to the new one. Let's go through the steps to perform a record merge. Before you start, keep in mind, if you need to change the number of a staff member, customer, or supplier, you should reallocate the number. Check out our tutorial on reallocation for more details. If you are merging records, you will need to ensure no other terminals are connected to your shopfront, as merging will close the shopfront temporarily. First, go to the admin menu and choose Merge to delete records. The Merge to delete records window will open. In the Select Records from field, select whether you want to merge staff, customer, or supplier records. Enter the number of the old record in the Old Staff Number field. Alternatively, you can click the search icon to choose the record from the displayed list. Next, enter the number of the new record in the New Staff Number field. This is the record that will remain after the merge. Click Merge or press F10 to merge the records. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the merge. You can now continue merging other records, or click the close icon, or press Escape to close the Merge to delete records window. An information window will appear notifying you that RetailManager will close your shopfront to complete the merge. Make sure all other terminals are disconnected. Ensure that no other terminals are connected, and then click OK. Your shopfront will close temporarily while the records are merged. Once the merge is complete, RetailManager will reopen your shopfront. If you have multiple shopfronts, you'll need to select the one you want to open. Once the records are merged, the old number is cleared and can now be assigned to a new staff member, customer, or supplier. And that's it. You've successfully merged staff, customer, or supplier records in AAAPOS RetailManager. If you need more help, check out our other tutorials or contact support for assistance.